We're recording.
Okay.
Mike's hooked up with a big school. I mean, there was a gigantic school of permit. We're tarpon fishing on fly. We got some shots. There's a school of 50 permit. Now they know they're hooked.
Now he knows it's going.
Yeah. That is a jumbo school of permit. Good job, Mara. He threw it, I told him to throw it right in the middle. He threw it in the middle, they all got scared and he was mad at me, I could tell. But all of a sudden...
I'm happy now.
You're happy now.
I'll forgive you.
I'm like, just throw it right in the middle. No, in the middle? No! Yes, don't worry about it.
That's fine.
I know. The Jinx box is the little camera that's on his chest. We call that the Jinx box. Mara, if you have to come... Oh, there he is too, I see him. If you have to come down, because I'm not going to start the engine. Let me know if he's going to... if this pole's in your way, but...
I got some power, haven't I?
I know, they're awesome. Thank God I stopped. Oh, there's still permit with them, the whole school. Thank God I'm prepared, huh?
Yeah. Oh, I dropped. No, he's not.
No, no, no. Well, it's a nice one too, Mara. Okay, go back up front. Nice one.
Good, isn't it?
Yeah, that's a good one.
Oh yeah. See him in the water?
Yeah.
That would have been good with the camera underwater.
No, that doesn't have a filter on it. You won't see it.
Is it good, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a nice one. About 10 pounds. I spotted them suckers from a long ways away. Good job, Mara. Hold on. Come here. Nice, Mara.
Bails off.
Okay, just grab them.